Hi team, welcome to your 21 days of Pilates. We're up to week 3, which is about flow and endurance. And this is your day 15 workout, core and burning the core. It's all about the stomach muscles today. We're coming down onto the ground and we're going to extend the legs out and arms are going to come down. Tummy muscles pulled in, exhale to extend, inhale to bring it back. Good. So the lower your legs go, the harder your abs work. If your back is a little bit archy, feel free to take your legs a little bit higher. And then arms are just moving in the same direction as the legs. Good. Make sure you're pulling belly into the spine as you extend out and breathe outwards, and then you can relax the stomach a little bit as it comes back in, but the knees will stop just above the hip. As it is your week 3, we are moving into a bit more of an endurance piece, a bit more work through all the muscles. Alright, let's move into your 100s. Very traditional Pilates. Legs in tabletop, arms beating strong, chin tucks into the chest. So we've done this in week 1, done this in week 2, and we're doing it again in week 3. Hopefully you can see your progress. Legs lifted or legs lower. As you go into the 100s, you can go straight into this move now. And if you can keep your head up the whole time, even better. Dropping the legs down just to make it a little bit harder. As I said before, the lower your legs go, the harder your abs, deep core works. But not compromising that lower back. You don't want it to be arching or bending through. Nice work, team. Have a little bit of release through that lower back if it feels uncomfortable. All right, we're going to do that double leg stretch. So legs up in the air, hands reaching to the ankles, exhale out, extend the legs, extend the arms, drop the head back when the arms go behind you. Inhale, come in, and exhale as you extend, because you're exhaling, because that's the bit where your abs will be sort of requiring you to hold it strong the most. When the legs and arms move away from your body, that's when I tend to arch through the body. Crunching in and then extending out. Making sure you're lifting your head and shoulders. We're trying to reach further now onto the leg, towards the ankles, towards the foot. Don't stress though. If you've just joined me on week 3 and you're finding it a little bit tough, there's always week 1 and 2. So all the days from day 1 to day 14 to go to. Alright, let's have a little moment just here. We're going to crisscross the legs. Hands go behind the head and shoulders up. Chin tucks into the chest. Crisscross. We're moving the legs lower to about 45 degrees. Remember to lift the legs a little bit higher if your back is now getting a little bit more uncomfortable, especially because we're working quite a bit on core right now. It's all situated in that central point, and generally that burn comes through quite quickly. Making sure you're breathing though, always breathing through the nose, out through the mouth, because your body needs it. Oxygen is required here. It's not a long set day 15, but it is a burner because it's very isolating. If you like burning your abs, feel free to do this class again later in the day maybe, or straight away. Little moment. Careful of your backs again. Alright, let's crisscross it. Let's work your oblique muscles at the same time. Hands go behind the head and twist. So you're twisting your body towards the knee that is bending towards you while the other leg shoots out to 45. One breath, one movement. Let's keep the energy up the whole time if you can. Run, run, run through the legs for me. Nice, guys. Coming up to your last exercise. Keep it up with the energy. Last move here is a plank with a triple leg lift. Again, you can still be on your knees if you want to. Otherwise, you come straight onto the toes as we are up to the week 3. So one leg comes up and pulse, 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 drop. Pulse, 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 drop. Toes can be pointed. Toes can be flexed. Remember, calf cramp people, you are having the legs flexed. If you're okay to, you point. I tend to like to point on one side and flex on the other. Go figure. Keeping your bum nice and low, in line with your shoulders, eyes looking forward. This is your last move, but we're holding the plank the whole time as we are flicking the leg, keeping the upper body still. Doing really well if you've made it all the way through without that rest point or having to drop down onto the knees. But of course, no stress if you need to. Pull back, have a stretch in the shoulders. Pulling out nice and long through the body, forehead to the ground. Perfect, you are done for your day 15. I will see you on the next one. Bye.